What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of our weekly trading analysis on all the financial markets. Well, the weekend is here again. Hope you guys showed your stop loss as usual. And I'm excited this week because as if last week's blessing wasn't enough, we're blessed even bigger this time around. So make sure you stick around to the end because we have a whole lot of pairs to look at, and then we're gonna weigh our blessings. They say count your blessings first. So let's get started, guys. Okay, welcome back, guys. Like I said, I'm excited, and first of all, let's try to weigh our blessings for this week. Yes, it has been an awesome week for us, and then I must say I'm very impressed with what we have been able to do. So we're gonna start weighing in on our profits right now. So let's look at NZ, our active trades. NZ, we are currently active on NZUS, and you can see it's in huge profits. We are currently, how many pips again? We're currently 243 pips in profits. That's crazy, guys. That's so crazy. Let's look at what's it again? Let's look at what is that? Euro USD here. Let's look at Euro USD. We're in on Euro USD. So you can see Euro USD. We are currently how many pips in? We are currently about 150 pips in. That's crazy. So that's taking note of that. Another one is USD chef. We're in on USD chef, and that's like crazy. Where's USD chef? USD chef. I can't find USD chef. Okay, USD chef. Whoa, that's like the biggest one, guys. I'm so impressed. I told you guys it was gonna be a big one. So USD chef, we're currently 292 pips in. That's crazy, guys. So the next is AUD USD. Let's look at AUD USD. AUD USD. So we have AUD USD here. So not much there, but let's look at it. It's worth counting. So it's something. So we are currently 64 pips, 65, 70. Okay, that's about let me take 70 pips in. That's a lot, guys. So next we have let's go to crypto, where we have some of the biggest ones there. Bitcoin. Oh, Bitcoin. I'm so happy about Bitcoin. Actually, we are open at and we left our take profit open because Bitcoin is testing new highs. As I don't know, you guys saw the massive rally. So look at that. Let's weigh in on Bitcoin. That's about 2,300, or this is 2,400 pips in. God, that's crazy, guys. That's crazy. We are in on LTC. LTC actually. Let's look at LTC. So LTC USD. We're currently in at. Sorry for that. Let me take an accurate measurement. We're currently in about that's 15 pips in. So you can see, guys. Let's go to stocks. We'll have eBay. We're still active on eBay. Let's look at eBay. So you can see profits on eBay. So that's it, guys. For this, especially for those who think we actually waste our time here every week to look at these pairs. We're actually making gains here. We're actually killing it here, guys. So I suggest you start taking analysis more serious if you haven't by now. So let's go over what we have today. You guys know how we do it. We just look at the activities for the week. Yes, let's look at next week. We'll have next week on our fundamentals. Not much. It's just the holidays. We have the Christmas holiday coming up this week. Next week, rather. Sorry. So that's just gonna be the major issue out of it. And I know most brokers don't usually. I think most brokers they usually have like a timer or something like that during Christmas holiday. So I don't know. That would be the only kind of hold up or something like that. Otherwise, aside from that, I don't see anything much happening. So just keep an eye for that. It's just the Christmas holidays, and by the way, Merry Christmas in advance, guys. So let's get straight to our charts and look at what we have. First on our list is GBP NZD. Let's go to forex. GBP NZD. First on our list is GBP NZD. So actually we were in on GBP NZD, but we were taking out on break even. Yes, so but now the market has given us another chance to kind of join the trend again. So kindly just that's it, we're in, but the market made a little bit of a test. So now we can, now as you can see, there's a little bit of bearish impulse coming in from this side. So you can now can see that retracement. So market coming in from there, you can get in and start from this point. So because we have seen bearish impulse, so if the bearish impulse continues, then I think we're most probably going to continue the trend and re-enter. So but as you guys know, and this is our biggest trade. Yes, I have a lot of hopes for this trade. So I hope to see a big one, just like I told you guys on USD chart, and it's already happening. So this is another one I have in sight for the next couple of months, and going into the new year. I'm going to hold this. I'm going to be long-term bearish on GBP USD. So let's get over it, guys, and continue what I have. Let's look at GBP USD. GBP USD, we have seen a price kind of breakout from this zone. So let's look at that. You can see kind of the breakout is both for the zone and for this trend line. You can see this trend line on this zone, so it's going to be a powerful one. So we're going to enter, we're going to go long once we start seeing bullish impulse. Only when we see bullish impulse going on the upside. Besides that, we just wait and chill out. So let's look at AUD card. We have a lot in forex to look at. So let's look at AUD card. So AUD card, yes, this was actually a key level, very important key level I've been waiting for a long time. So as you can see, price has broken out. This is a very important key level. So price has broken out from this level, and now first thing Monday, I'm gonna go long on this up to this point. I'm gonna go long up to this point. So look out for that, guys. AUD card, I'm long term, I'm bullish. I'm up to the 1.050 zone. So the next analysis is AUD JAP, AUD JPY, AUD JPY, okay, AUD JPY. Yes, same thing. It's like most AUD pairs are bullish, but that's by the way. So you can see there has been a breakout and a teeny tiny kind of retest happening here. So that's it. So you can see the bullish impulse coming in. So with that, we are all clear to go long once market continues the bullish run next week. So that's it for AUD JAP. So let's look at CAD JPY, CAD JPY. Yes, CAD JPY is kind of is bearish. Understand, it's on a bearish trend. That's on a downtrend. You can see price has rejected this zone. So I'm just, this is more of a for short-term traders. Look at this. I want to make an important note on this. Short-term traders, you can do this, you can leverage this. Understand? Yes, but long-term traders like us, we are most interested in this move. Wait, let me show you guys. We're most interested in this when markets breaks out from this zone, and then we'll see a retest, and then but it's going to take a long time. So but then I probably will enter here but I'm just giving both sides of the coin, understand, for both short-term traders and long-term traders, because I know that this zone, this trend line, this zone, I know that it will pose a stumbling block for this bearish trend. Yes, for this bearish trend going down. So just in case, I'm just putting it out there so you guys know what's up. So the next analysis is okay, that's it for forex. So let's go over to stocks. Let's go back to stocks and look at some stocks. So first analysis is J&J, Johnson & Johnson. So we can see this zone, very important zone. So we can see price breaking out from this zone. If we finally see a breakout next week and kind of a retest, and then I don't know if it's gonna happen next week, but I'm just putting it out there, then we can go long. Anyways, we only make a reaction once price has made an action, so you guys know that already. That's how we do it. So the next for stocks is Morgan Stanley. Yes, Morgan Stanley. So now and see Morgan Stanley broke out quite a long time ago, like that was around 25th November or thereabout. But then actually, you know how we do, wait for retest. So I can see a little tiny retest happening here, you can see. So once I continue seeing this bullish move, if market opens on Monday and Monday ends on a bullish trend, you understand, then I can go long. Either ways, just look out for that. So the next analysis is Walmart. Yeah, Walmart. So we have Walmart. Walmart is currently on an uptrend, but then here's the thing: this bearish trend is kind of strong. The bearish impulse is strong. You can see large candles. So I'm seeing more of this happening. I'm seeing more of the breakouts happening over price continuing. But then anything, we're just keeping an open mind. Understand? Normally this is going, because of it being an uptrend, this is going to happen. But then considering other factors, those in our training know how we do this. Considering factors like the slopiness of the trend, you can see the slopiness of the trend, and other factors like bearish and the other factors like impulse, you understand. So I'm seeing more of this, you understand. We don't you guys must be wondering. I know normal tutors will tell you, yes, once you get here just buy and that's it. No, we don't do like that. Market will surprise if you trade that way. It's a reckless way to trade, so you have to look at other factors too when you're looking at those stuff. So that's it. If you want to know how we trade things, because that's eventually what's going to happen, you can join us. That's it. So the next now, that's it for stocks. Let's go to indices. We only have one, and which is the UK 100. Yes, and the UK 100, you can see a breakout of this zone, and there's a retest. But then this retest is not healthy because we are still seeing tiny of bearish impulse. So this is what we are looking for actually. But then because of this impulse, we are keeping an open mind because it might still go back a bit. Understand? Even might still go back a bit and maybe kind of continue here. These are indices. You never can predict their movement at any time. But then I'm waiting for a bearish move. Understand? So that's it. If it happens next week, fine, even perfect. But then we are working on that, and then we are seeing what's going to happen eventually. So that's it for this week, guys. Like you saw already, and if you have been following us, you guys know we have a very special approach to the markets. Yes, all the markets, and you see that this approach doesn't disappoint us, guys. For the most part, it doesn't disappoint us. We are very conservative long-term traders, understand, and this it doesn't disappoint us. Most of our analysis go in the right direction because we're actually patient and then enough to wait for price to make an action for us to make a reaction. This is something you learn with fair training, understand. So it's not something you just wake up and then it's all part of you, understand. And it's not a strategy most tutors are teaching out there, which is very, very bad. I'm not saying a strategy is 100% accurate or 100%, you know, I don't like the word 100% in the market, but then all I'm trying to say is this is a careful approach to trading a market full of uncertainties. That's the point I'm trying to make here, and the sooner you realize this, the better for you. So guys, in that note, if you actually want to join our training, which I know you do, you stand deep down in you following this series, or this series, I know you must have actually been admiring how we approach the market. So I'm pretty sure that you love this approach of taking the conservative and the long-term price action method of trading the market. So if you want to join our training, the link to our training will be down below. It's nothing too pushy. I'm just putting it out there just in case for those who want to be a part of our trading community. But then either ways, we also have a free trading material, and then you can subscribe to our email list, and then join our free Telegram channel. The link to all this will be down below too, guys. Just find a way to get value from us besides the YouTube and videos we put out here, guys. It will be for your own benefit, I'm sure of that. So that's it, guys. Also remember to subscribe, like our videos, share. All this, it helps the channel grow and it helps your audience, because I'm sure if you're presenting a channel like this to your friends, I'm sure they'll be grateful to you. So guys, enable to do this, subscribe, enable notifications so you get a little whenever we drop out some content like this. That's it, guys. See you in the next one. Remember, by the way, Merry Christmas in advance, guys. Enjoy your holidays. Thanks.